Hi everybody, this is Dashani from Get Me Wed. Today I'm quite excited to share with you just how easy it is to create a couple's profile on the Get Me Wed platform. Follow me as I take you through these quick and easy steps so that you too can have access to our amazing wedding planning tools. Come with me. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is log on to our website, and that is www.getmewed.co.za. And once you arrive on the platform, all you need to do is locate your mouse to the top right-hand corner, and it says couple sign up. Over there, you'll see a pink button, and when you hover over it, it turns blue. All you need to do is click. You'll then reach a landing page where it says create an account. Simply add a username that is easy for you to remember, your email address, as well as a password which keeps all your data as well as your profile safe. And there you have it. You've now finally reached your dashboard, which summarizes some of the most important things required when planning a couple's wedding. And I think these are, for one, the most important: your wedding date, your budget, how much are you going to be spending against your savings, your checklist, just how many items do you need to get done with before the big day, and your wish list. So these are all the vendors that exist within the entire local industry, which ones have piqued your attention from the website, and when you go and like their profile, this will appear on your page. So to get going, I want to start editing our profile. Why we encourage you personalize your profile is that when you are submitting your contact forms to each vendor, they will have all this information readily available to them. This makes it easy to engage with vendors as much as it does to get in touch with them. The most important detail over here would be your wedding date, your wedding city, which may help you when you're filtering for all the vendors that are available in your area, and then the state. For me, I'm just going to keep this as Durban. If you'd like, you're welcome to add a profile photo. This is quite easy as long as you keep to the minimum requirements of the pixel size. Join me in our next tutorial as I share some handy tips on how to add items to your to-do list.
Local suppliers on one platform that caters for all of your wedding needs at a click of a button. With Get Me Wed, we can help you plan easily with love.